Now, while not all interactions with police turn deadly, there have been several within the last month, and it's important to know what rights you have during your interactions with police. Clark County held a town hall last night to discuss all of those things, and 13 Action News reporter Kelsey McFarland is live right now to explain some of the top questions people asked. Kelsey?
Yeah, Kalina, good morning. The county held this town hall because it wants you to know what you do and do not have to do with your interactions with law enforcement, whether that be Metro Police or immigration. Now, the county hosted this session, but in attendance, there were several attorneys from the Public Defender's Office and UNLV's Immigration Clinic. One of the first questions, what to do if a police officer pulls you over. Public Defender Darren Imlay says, even though it may be difficult, number one thing is to remain calm. He says if a police officer pulls you over, you do have to identify yourself and give your driver's license if you're driving. After that, you don't have to answer any questions.
If the police officer is asking you questions, one of the things you may want to ask is, am I free to leave? If the answer is no, you are not free to leave, then your next statement should always be, I want to talk to my attorney.
Imlay added, you also do not have to consent to a police officer searching your car unless they have a warrant. Now, law enforcement also needs a warrant to enter your home. Mike Kagan teaches immigration law at UNLV. He says ICE almost never has a warrant to enter your home. You can ask them to slip their warrant under your door before opening it. Now, Kagan even says if that document has the word warrant at the top, if it's not signed by a judge, it's not a true warrant, and you do not have to let the agents inside. Now, this was about an hour-long session, so if you'd like to learn more about some of the topics and some of the questions that were answered, we already have a link to that Facebook Live posted on our website at ktnv.com. Reporting live, I'm Kelsey McFarland, 13 Action News.
A lot of good information there, Kelsey. Yep. Now, we do know that the county talked about voter rights during that town hall as well. Do you know what the main takeaway was there?
Yeah, the attorneys touched base on the restoration of voter rights, essentially letting those with a prior conviction in Nevada know that they do have the right to vote. They said that they were disappointed in the turnout last year and that all they have to do is register.